How to draw Woobat from Pokemon, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Woobat, we're going to begin by drawing a circle right here for the nose in the center of the page. Now on the inside of the circle that we just made, we're going to draw the nostrils by drawing a shape that looks similar to a heart. Nice! Now on each side of the nose, we're going to draw the eyes by drawing W's. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Next, right below the nose, we're going to draw a shape that looks similar to a sideways oval for the mouth. And if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Now on the inside of the mouth, we're going to draw the tongue along with a tooth that will be on the top of the mouth. Now that we have the detail for the face drawn, we can now draw the outline of the body. To draw the outline of the body, we're just going to draw a big shape that goes all the way around everything that we just drew. And the entire body will be made up of little shapes just like the one that we just made. And we're just going to go all the way around, and I might go back and forth between each side just a little bit just to make sure that they're both the same length and one's not too much different than the other. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, and don't forget that we have a Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist that has all of our drawings like Cyndaquil, Wynot, and even Gengar. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Fantastic! Are you all done? If so, let's continue. Now we're going to draw the wings. Beginning on the right hand side, each wing should be similar in size. Now let's do the exact same thing on the left hand side that we just did on the right. This is how to draw Woobat from Pokemon. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you enjoyed today's video, then I highly recommend you consider hitting the subscribe button because we upload on a regular basis. And if this video helped you out today, then be sure to give it a big like. And in the description, I'll include a couple links, one to our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist, and some to all of the resources that we use. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.